Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll dive into an essential aspect of system administration, managing logs on Linux. Logs are crucial for diagnosing issues, tracking system events, and ensuring security. Let's get started. Efficient log management on Linux. Step 1. Understanding log files. Linux systems generate various log files that record system activities. These logs are typically stored in the var log directory. Common log files include syslog, auth.log, dmesg, and application-specific logs like apache2/access.log. This diagram shows some common directories and log files found under var log, such as Apache2 and Nginx for web server logs, syslog for general system logs, auth.log for authentication logs. Step 2. Viewing log files. To view log files, you can use commands like cat, less, and tail. For example, to view the system log, use Step 3. Filtering logs with Grep. To find specific information within log files, use Grep. For instance, to search for error in syslog, use Step 4. Rotating logs with Logrotate. Logrotate is a powerful utility in Linux systems that automates the process of managing log files. It allows you to rotate log files, create new log files and rename old ones, compress log files, save disk space by compressing old log files, delete old log files, remove unnecessary log files to prevent disk exhaustion, execute scripts, perform custom actions before or after log rotation. Step 5. Setting up automated log management. Automate log management by configuring Logrotate for specific applications. Create a configuration file in, etc., Logrotate. V for custom settings. Here's a simple example of a Logrotate configuration file for rotating the /var/log/apache2/access.log file daily, keeping the last 7 rotated files, and compressing them. Step 6. Monitoring logs with tools. Use tools like journalctl for systemd logs, and rsyslog or syslogng for advanced logging needs. These tools help centralize and manage logs efficiently. I will make a video about these tools later, so stay tuned. Conclusion. Managing logs is vital for maintaining a healthy and secure Linux system. Regularly monitor, rotate, and automate your log management processes to keep your system running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more sysadmin tips. Thanks for watching.